Christmas season is officially here, and we are kicking it off at Berry Creek Lights, Surrey's very own winter wonderland. From the moment you walk in, the colors and lights start competing for your attention. If this place doesn't fill your camera roll, then nothing will. The trail is super chill, flat, easy, and perfect for families, date nights, or if you just want to pretend you're in a Hallmark movie. Everything is decked out. Trees, bridges, the pathways, even the bushes are putting in work. They have got installations everywhere. Giant glowing trees, color-changing displays, and these whimsical light sculptures that make you feel like you're wandering inside a Christmas dream. What I really love is the vibe here. It's peaceful, festive, not overcrowded, and you can really take your time. I love this salmon in the river light installation. It's such a clever nod to the wildlife here, and it adds a whole different level of charm to the walk. The most Canadian thing you'll see all night. And of course, there's a ton of photo ops. Light tunnels, giant ornaments, glowing snowflakes. This place is basically designed for Instagram, or TikTok, or both. Overall, Berry Creek Lights is such a solid way to kick off the holiday season. Chill walk, beautiful displays, and tons of photo spots. If you're anywhere near Surrey, it's absolutely worth checking out. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Until then, stay glowing!